Hello Primary 5, today we'll take the lesson 4, follow unit 1, follow of operation on natural numbers, multiplication operation and division operation. Okay, multiplication operation on natural number. The first property for multiplication operation of natural numbers, number 1, closure property. طيب, closure property for from the last lesson إن لو if A يعني belong للnatural and B belong للnatural number, then A time B belong للnatural number. From the last lesson A plus B كانت belong لأن هي كانت addition and subtraction. But this lesson we take the operation on natural number, multiplication operation اللي هي time, يعني A time B belong للnatural number. For example, لو كان عندي 2 belong للnatural and 5 belong للnatural number, then 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 belong للnatural number. That's meaning the closure property. Number 2, commutative property. A times B equal B times A. Okay, we said before about a commutative property. Commutative إن إحنا بنعمل change the place of number. طيب, then 3 times 6 equal 6 times 3 equal 18. Okay, يعني عملنا change the place of number. Then if multiply 3 times 6 equal 6 times 3 equal 18, the same answer, then the commutative property in the multiplication operation. طيب, associative property. Associative property. A times B times C. If we have a 3 number or more, we can write bracket between 2 numbers. طيب, any 2 number. هنا A times B وهنا B times C. Then the final answer the same. يعني هنا عملنا 5 times 2 times 4. Bracket between 5 times 2 and another side bracket between 2 and 4. Then the final answer for the first side اللي هو left side 40, and final answer the same final answer for the second side اللي هو left side is 40. Then this meaning associative operation in the multiplication, the associative property in multiplication operation of natural number. Number 4, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. A times 1 equal 1 times A equal A. Then 5 times 1 equal 1 times 5 equal 5. Last lesson we studied in what is the meaning of additive identity, which number plus يعني plus any number equal the same number. can equal 0 اللي هو 0 plus 5 equal 5, 0 plus 9 equal 9, 0 plus 100 equal 100. طيب, the same for multiplication operation, multiplicative identity, which number multiply in number equal the same number. يعني 5 times 1 equal 5, 100 times 1 equal 100, million times 1 equal million. Then multiplicative identity is 1. Multiplicative identity is 1. طب additive identity is a 0. Additive is 0. Multiplicative is 1. Fine. For example, use the associative and commutative property to simplify each of the following. 5 times 37 times 2. Number B, 25 times 7 times 9 times 4. Number C, 16 times 21 times 125. Fine. The first step for the number A, we use the commutative. We use a commutative property. يعني إيه commutative property? Should be change the place of number. يعني 5 عملنا هنا times 2 times 37 يبقى عملنا change the place of number, then this property is commutative property. Number of the second step, associative property, we write bracket between 5 times 2 and final answer equal 10 times 37 then equal 370. طيب, وطبعا in the best change of number اللي هو أو place of number اللي هما كان be multiply. يعني مثلا 5 times 2 10, 25 times 4 100 8 times 125 equal 1000. okay. This is the steps for ايه اللي هي ال associative and commutative property. يبقى the first step ان احنا عملنا change the place of number. The second step ال associative property عملنا bracket between two numbers اللي هم can give me 10, 100, thousands or مثلا 30, 40 times 37 equals 370. The second question, 25 times 7 times 9 times 4. We can use, I said in the last lesson, we can write the two property together, يعني ال associative property and the commutative property for the same steps. okay. يعني هنا we can change the place of number اللي هي في golden time table اللي هو 4 times 25 together. okay. طيب يبقى عملنا 25 times 4 times 7 times 9 يبقى عملنا change لل place of number. طيب and we write bracket between two numbers اللي هما 25 times 4 and 7 times 9. then this property ولا two property؟ لا two property. commutative and associative properties. commutative and associative properties. okay. if we answer with two property together يبقى should be write two property. لكن لو just one property then write name of this property. then 25 times 4 equal 100 times 63 equals 6,300. fine. another question, 16 times 21 times 125. change the place of any two number. عملنا 21 times 16 times 125 together. then this property يبقى we use one property ولا two property؟ one property. then the name of property commutative property. fine. okay. 21 يعني we can يعني to easy question to easy multiplications without using calculator we can change 16 equal 2 times 8. okay. طيب 2 times 8 then ليه؟ لأن golden time table في ال 125 times 8 equal 1000. then 21 times 2 and we write bracket between two number and 8 times 125. then this property is called what? we write bracket then is called associative property. It's called associative property. Don't forget write the name of property. okay. please primary 5 don't forget write the name of property. okay. then 1 times 2 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4, 42 times 1000 equal 42,000. now use the distributive property to find 103 times 25, 37 times 98, 15 times 742. before start answering primary 5, take care with me about this question. distributive property we use distributive property like this steps. هنا 103 times 25. what is the meaning of distributive? meaning ان هو distribute التايم over البلس or الماينس. يعني هنا بيكون في time واللي inside البراكت بيكون يا اما plus or minus. then 103 يبقى 103 more than 100 ولا less than؟ more than. طب if this number more than 100 then we write plus. طب لو كان this less than 100 like 98 يبقى we write minus. okay. then 103 more than 100 then we write 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3 time 25. now distribute. يعني ايه distribute؟ يعني multiply 25 by 100 plus 25 times 3. again multiply 25 times 100 plus 25 times 3. 100 times 25 equal 2000. 500. طب 3 times 25 plus, don't forget, right? Plus. 3 times 25 equals 75. Add two numbers together equal 2575. طيب, the second question, 37 times 98. Look at this number. طب, if I ask you, use a distributive property, should be right bracket and time number. طيب, البراكت هنا هيكون where is the number nearest 100 or thousands? 98. طيب, هو less than 100 or less than or more than 100? Less than. Then we write minus. طيب, 98 100 minus 2 time 37. يبقى هنا outside البراكت 37 time 100 minus 2. Then now distribute 37 times 100 minus 37 times 2. 37 times 100 equals 3700 minus 37 times 2 equal minus 74 equals 3626. This number 15 times 742. طيب, مفيش هنا number nearest ال 100 or thousands, لكن we have 742. Now we can change this number into 700 اهي plus 40 plus 2 وهنا times 17 and distribute بقى التايم over او time الايه اللي جوه البراكت اللي هو 15 times 2 plus 15 times 40 plus 15 times 2 times 700. Then 15 times 2 30 plus 15 times 40 600 plus 15 times 700 1500 equal 11,130. Fine. طيب, note that an even number time even number equal even number. يعني 2 times 4 equal 8. even time even equal even. طب odd number time odd number equal odd number. 3 times 5 15 7 times 7 49. طب even number time odd number equal even number. and even number like 2 times 3 equals 6 5 times 4 equal 20. Now the second division operation. So we say that the division operation is not always possible in n. n is not closed under division operation. So the division operation is not commutative in n. Division operation is not associative in n. Complete. The multiplicative identity element is what we say. يعني ايه multiplicative identity? Which number time any number equal the same number? Which number time any number equal the same number? 1. Fine. 70 times 13 minus which number equal times 13 equal 50 times 13. هنا 13 13 13. طيب 70 minus which number equal 50 a primary 5. 70 time minus which number equal 50 a primary 5. 70 time minus 1 يلا 20. bravo. Fine. Now this property A times B times C. طيب هنا check from place of number. يعني هنا ايه الفيرست هنا first هنا second third يبقى this property ايه اللي هي with bracket is called what? Associative property. Okay, we can write associative ASSO. Okay. طيب the set of natural number less than 5 is fine 0 1 2 3 and 4. Fine in primary 5. Right, possible or not possible in natural number. 35 divides 7 equal what? And right, possible or not possible. هو المفروض ان write اللي هو quotients of this division and write possible or not possible. طيب 35 divide 7 equal what? Equal 5. Then يبقى this relation possible. This is a whole number. طيب B 0 over 2 possible or not possible. طيب 0 over 2 equal what? 0 over 2 we can divisible 0 divide by 2. Huh? You can divisible 0 divide by 2. Yes. Final answer equals 0. Then possible. C 10 divide 0. You can divide 10. You can divide 10 by 0. Huh? Possible or not possible? Impossible. Impossible. Question 2. Use the property of multiplication to find 53 times 99 equal which number؟ يعني هي which property؟ يعني 53 times 100 minus 1. This property is called what? This property 53 times 99 less than 100 then equal 100 minus 1. ها يبقى 53 هي this is distributive property. طيب 53 times 100 minus 53 times 1. Then 53 times 100 equal 5300 minus 53. Twenty-nine times 101. 29 time 101 more than 100 or less than? More than. Then we write 29 times 100 plus 1 and distribute 29 times 100 plus 29 times 1. 29 times 100 2900 plus 29. Then the final answer equal 2929. This is the last question for this lesson. I hope everyone can understand this lesson. Thank you for good listening.